Hey guys, I'm out on a camp with my dad, our first one of the year.
Hiya.
Join us at camp in a bit.
Home sweet home.
Put the kettle on.
Oh, my luxury item. It's worth carrying for the weight.
It's not that heavy. First brew of the day on, guys. Thanks for the cups, Diane. I think your brew's ready, Dad.
Can't beat the first brew of the day.
We're just making a start on collecting some firewood for the campfire later tonight. I'm just having a mooch up this hill whilst my dad chops some firewood because he can't get up here. But the view at the top here is incredible. Look at that view, guys. I don't know if this video does it justice, but it's a stunning view in the distance. I love coming up here. I've got a new mate here. Hello. 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 Beautiful, aren't you? Whew. That was a good little hike. Just about caught my breath back. Yeah, my dad prefers doing his own thing, collecting wood and chilling at camp, whereas I like having a mooch around. Just climbed up some really steep hills and rocks, but we've been coming here for a few years now. Nice forest, really peaceful and tranquil, and it's a really good spot to set up camp as well. But yeah, I need some food now. I'm starving after that hike. Just having a quick dinner. I've got bacon and cheese mash. My dad's got bubble and squeak. And we've got some baked beans to put on it. Lovely jubbly. Right, that's my setup done for the night. Got the OEX Bobcat. DD Super Light Tarp. And then that's my little setup inside. My Cedar Summit sleeping bag. Nice and toasty. And then this is my dad's super roomy setup. Tons of space. What tent's that, Dad?
It's Nature Hike Tiger 2. I like the height and so I can sit up.
What's this tarp?
That's the large DD Super Light.
It's huge. And inside, tons of space.
It's just the Unigear sleep mat, the one tigress quilt because I don't like sleeping bags, That's it basically. I think that's a Van Gogh pillar.
And you can fit your bag in here as well.
Yeah, bag inside.
Smart.
That's it.
You'll be nice and toasty tonight. And what's this silver foil mat? $1.99.
Oh, it's one of them emergency blanket things.
We like to sometimes cheat putting our tarps up, and we use these bungee cords. Just attach them around the trees. Dead simple. Makes your tarp nice and tight as well. Happy days. Got all our firewood now for the nice campfire later. And we're keeping it off the ground on that fire pit, what my dad bought me for Christmas. Just a bit more safer than just leaving it on the floor, because we don't like doing that really. Nice campfire later, looking at the nice view of the forest. It's getting dark now. And our tea's nearly ready. Yours ready? That's mine ready. Don't look very appetising on the camera, but it's a nice stew. And then Dad's is ready.
Beef chilli, it looks a bit better than yours.
Yeah, they just don't look that good on the camera, but they'll look good in our stomach. Just been chilling by the campfire for a few hours, and we've got some nice jacket spuds roasting now, and then we're gonna wash it down with a nice Jack Daniel's Tennessee honey with lemonade. Ooh, these are ready now. Oh, look at them.
Perfect.
Ooh, get that garlic butter on. Ooh. Nothing better than this. Right guys, that's me done for the night. I'm heading off to bed. Had a nice jacket spud. Jack Daniel's, watching the fire for a few hours. Dad's gonna stay watching the fire for a bit, aren't you?
Yeah. Night guys.
Morning guys, I've just woke up. My dad's already up, so I'm gonna go and join him and make some breakfast.
Morning.
What you on?
Fire pot, posh beans.
Nice.
Lovely.
Let's have a look at him.
And a nice cappuccino.
Oh, it's good to get warm on that. was a cold one last night. Probably the coldest camp I've ever had, that. Got some mates there passing through camp. Right guys, that's us done for this one. It's been a cold one, but we needed it. We're going to pack away now. My battery's on about 10%, so I don't think I can film much more. So we'll say goodbye now.
Bye.
See you in the next one. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and feel free to check out my other videos. Have a good one.